Toyota redesigned the legendary 4Runner, and the changes are so controversial that they're forcing potential buyers to make impossible choices between the features they desperately want and the compromises they refuse to accept. If you've been waiting years for Toyota to modernize this off-road icon, you need to know that while they've fixed some glaring problems that plagued previous generations, they've also created new deal breakers that are pushing thousands of enthusiasts toward completely different brands. Most people assume the new 4Runner is just the old truck with a fresh face and updated tech, but the reality is far more extreme. Toyota's made some brilliant decisions that leapfrog the Bronco and Wrangler in key areas, while simultaneously locking critical capabilities behind paywalls that make zero sense for how most people actually use these SUVs. The 4Runner has always been a powerhouse, but the latest generation is bringing strengths that are catching even the skeptics off guard. Let's dive into what's working. Number 4. Excellent off-road capabilities. You're miles from cell service, facing a trail that's making you question every life choice that brought you here. Rocks are jutting out at angles that would snap a crossover's plastic cladding clean off. And the path ahead is demanding real capability, not just adventure-themed styling. That sick feeling when you realize your vehicle might not be up to the challenge? Toyota engineered the 4Runner specifically to eliminate that fear. Even the base SR5 is giving you a genuine part-time four-wheel drive system with a 2-speed transfer case, which means actual low-range gearing to crawl over obstacles at walking speed. Picture attempting a rocky descent where one wrong move puts your undercarriage on a boulder, your heart rate is climbing, trying to balance throttle and brakes simultaneously. That's when the TRD off-road's electronic locking rear differential and crawl control become absolute lifesavers, setting a low speed automatically and letting you focus entirely on steering. The Trail Hunter solves that frustrating moment when your suspension is maxed out and you're about to high center. The manually adjustable Fox, dampers, and disconnecting front stabilizer bar give you wheel articulation that keeps all 4 tires in contact with terrain, with over 9 inches of ground clearance, tackling obstacles, leaving competitors scraping. All that capability is worthless if you're spending your entire paycheck on gas, which brings us to something catching even the harshest critics off guard. Number 3. Good fuel economy. You're filling up your off-road SUV, watching the dollar amount climb past $80, past $90, doing mental math about whether your weekend adventure is worth this fuel bill. Every penny counts when you're budgeting for gear and permits. That's why the 4Runner's fuel economy is catching people off guard. With 20 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway on rear-wheel drive models, you're getting an extra 100 miles per tank compared to a Bronco or Wrangler. On a 500-mile road trip, you're stopping 1 fewer time for gas, arriving earlier and spending less. The Bronco's 2.3-liter EcoBoost barely manages 19 miles per gallon combined, while the Wrangler struggles past 21 miles per gallon. The Wrangler 4xe only achieves 20 miles per gallon once the battery's depleted. The 4Runner hybrid posts 23 miles per gallon combined, and with a 23-gallon fuel tank, you're looking at over 500 miles of highway range. On remote overland routes where the next gas station is 200 miles away, that extra range is the difference between confident journeys or turning back early. Fuel economy is impressive, but efficiency means nothing if you're miserable during those long drives, and that's where the transformation gets interesting. Number 2. Good on-road ride quality. Remember the old 4Runner? You'd hit an expansion joint and feel it reverberate through your spine. Longer commutes meant arriving tired from fighting constant steering corrections. That was the price of admission, and owners accepted it. But imagine merging onto the interstate after a long day, and instead of familiar truck-like harshness, the suspension absorbs pavement imperfections smoothly. The completely reworked suspension geometry with new control arms and bushings filters out bumps that used to make long drives exhausting. The recalibrated steering provides quicker response and better on-center feel, eliminating constant micro-adjustments to stay in your lane. Toyota's adding acoustic glass, increased sound deadening, and redesigned door seals to solve excessive road noise. Now you're holding normal volume conversations with rear passengers, and the cabin feels like a refined SUV rather than a work truck. The transformation turns the 4Runner into a vehicle you actually want to drive daily, not just tolerate until weekends. The ride quality is a massive improvement, but wait until you see how Toyota's dragging this truck into the modern era with technology finally matching competitors. Number 1. Tech and safety features. Toyota's addressing outdated technology that made the truck feel years behind competitors. The 8-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest software responds instantly to inputs, connecting to wireless Apple CarPlay in seconds. Higher trims get a massive 14-inch display with split-screen functionality viewing map and audio simultaneously. For off-roaders, you're attempting a steep descent. Your view is blocked, and you have no idea how close you are to that boulder. The surround view camera system with dedicated off-road views shows front clearance, side clearance, and rear approach angles in real time, turning blind maneuvering into precise positioning. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 addresses modern driving reality. Distracted drivers pulling out, lane drift on long stretches, the pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, and lane centering work together, catching threats you might miss, especially on that 400-mile drive home when fatigue sets in. The 4Runner brings impressive upgrades, but before rushing to dealerships, there are serious compromises in the fine print that could be absolute deal breakers. Number 3. Tight third row. Your kids are growing up. That moment hits when the compact SUV isn't cutting it. You're coaching your daughter's soccer team, needing to fit extra players, or parents are visiting, needing 3 rows. The 4Runner offers that optional third row, sounding like the perfect solution. But reality check. You fold that third row into position, ask teenagers to climb back, and watch them contort into barely 36 cubic feet. Their knees jam against the second row, heads tilt, avoiding the ceiling. This isn't a third row for humans over age 10. It's emergency seating at best. Worse, planning a weekend camping trip, but once folding the third row up, you're left with just 12.1 cubic feet of cargo space. That's barely enough for a few backpacks. Your tent, sleeping bags, cooler, and camping chairs aren't fitting. The Honda Pilot offers nearly 17 cubic feet behind its third row. The truth is, Toyota's marketing 7-passenger capability, but functionally you've bought a 5-passenger SUV. The third row disappointment is frustrating, but at least you can skip that option, whereas the next issue affects every gas-powered 4Runner with no way around it. Number 2. Gas engine could use more power. You've loaded the 4Runner with family camping gear, bikes on the hitch rack, and a rooftop cargo box. You're climbing a mountain pass at 7,000 feet where air is thin, needing to pass a slow RV in a short passing zone. That's when the power deficit becomes genuinely frustrating. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes about 7.5 seconds, which sounds adequate until you're in real-world scenarios where weight, elevation, and urgency combine. For a vehicle costing $43,000, expectations are power that feels abundant, not just adequate. Toyota has the solution already engineered. Hybrid variants make 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Speaking of that hybrid, if you thought the power restriction was annoying, wait until you hear about Toyota's decision to lock the best trims behind a hybrid-only paywall, pushing thousands out of their budget. Number 1. Top trims come with hybrid only. You've done research and fallen in love with the Platinum trim. The premium leather, upgraded audio, refined appointments. Everything matches your vision. Or you're an experienced off-roader dreaming about the Trail Hunter with manually adjustable Fox dampers and disconnecting stabilizer bar. You're ready to write the check. Reality hits. Both trims come exclusively with the hybrid powertrain, adding approximately $11,000 to the price tag. For many, that increase pushes the purchase from challenging to impossible. You're planning serious backcountry trips where the nearest dealer is 200 miles away, and the thought of a complex hybrid needing specialized service creates genuine anxiety. Or you're loading heavy camping equipment. Discovering the hybrid's battery pack under the cargo floor raises load height by several inches, making it harder to lift coolers and gear while stealing about 4 cubic feet of cargo capacity. You want the Platinum luxury but don't want hybrid complexity. Or you need Trail Hunter capability but prefer conventional powertrain simplicity. Toyota's removing your choice entirely, forcing you to accept the hybrid with all implications. Added weight, reduced cargo space, higher purchase price, and serviceability concerns. If you're set on these premium trims, you're accepting everything that comes with the hybrid, whether that aligns with your budget, needs, or peace of mind. Toyota's delivered a truck balancing serious off-road capability with livable on-road manners and surprisingly good fuel economy, wrapped in modern tech previous generations desperately lacked. But those wins come with deal-breaker compromises. The gas engine feels adequate rather than abundant when towing or loaded. The third row is useless for anyone over 12. And worst of all, Toyota's locking the most desirable trims behind a hybrid-only paywall, adding 11 grand, whether you want that complexity or not. If you're keeping this truck stock for weekend adventures, the 4Runner's strengths outweigh weaknesses. But if you're towing heavy regularly, need legitimate third-row space, or want top-tier features without hybrid complications, Toyota's forcing you to compromise on something that matters. The good thing is that Toyota offers several alternatives, so there's no need to make these kinds of compromises. If you lean toward a more civilized side, you definitely want to check out our video about the all-new 2026 RAV4. Toyota redesigned its bestseller and, among other improvements, finally brought interior designs that feels premium.